In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add header code and meta tags in Wix with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are already logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and choose the website you want to edit. This will take you into the site dashboard where you can manage settings and SEO options. Next, switch over to ChatGPT. Here, you will create the meta tag code you want to add to your Wix site. Paste in a prompt asking ChatGPT to write the meta tags and open graph tags for a local plumbing business website. Make sure your prompt asks for a title tag, a meta description, OG title, OG description, and OG image. Also ask for the code to be returned, ready to paste into Wix custom code. Once ChatGPT generates the code, copy it. Now go back to your Wix dashboard, open the settings area, and then select Custom Code. Click Add Custom Code to create a new code snippet. For the placement location, choose Head. This is important because meta tags and open graph tags belong in the head section of the page. Enter a name for the custom code so you can identify it later. Then paste in the code you copied from ChatGPT. This depends on whether the tags are meant for the entire site or for a specific section. Save your custom code settings when you are done. Next, return to the site dashboard and open Website and SEO. From there, go into SEO settings and select the page you want to optimize. Review the page title and description settings to make sure they match the content of that page. If needed, update those page-specific SEO fields and save your changes. Once that is done, return to the editor if necessary and click Publish to make the updates live on your website. After publishing, open the live site and confirm that everything loads correctly after the custom code was added. This helps you verify that the open graph title, description, and image are showing the way you expect. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.